Welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have a new box. Let's open it together and see what's in. Come closer. See what we have here. I know what it is. It is here. The light. This would be the lights that we would need for 1 year extended warranty. Activate here within 14 days. I always take these warranties and I never activate them at all. I will say I'll do it later on and never do it. Upgrade to 1 year warranty. Upgrade to 1 year warranty and 20% off another unit. Okay, so this will be lights to make the videos clear. Oh, now I know what was that. Okay. All right, so this is Mountain Dog. That's the name of the company. And here we have the settings. We have one box, we have two box, and this is a bigger box, one. Another white, bigger box, long box, two. And then we have these two things here. And this is the empty box. Okay, let's get rid of this. All right. So this is what comes in the package. What comes in the package. Okay. And this is the guide. So I think we would need lights. I don't think there would be lights in, but let's see. So we'll just open it and see what is in there. I think I purchased from this company before, but what was it? I don't remember. Okay, let's see what is in the first box. So, okay, this is the first box, stand. I think I purchased another light from them, I remember. And let's open this one here. Okay, let's see what's that. Wow, the light. Okay, I never knew that there would be lights. So this will be a stand that we would need to attach the light to. Right, so this is the stand. Okay, I think it is the same company as the background, because they have the same stand for the background. So I think it is, yeah, it belongs to them. That's good. Okay, so this is it. And let's see what's in here. It's like an umbrella. Frankly, it doesn't come with a guide that would help me to do that, to attach it. So here would be where I put the light. Oops. Did it break? No. So I really don't know how to attach it. But let's see. Does it show anywhere in this small guide? Doesn't show anywhere. It's just like, it doesn't show anywhere how to set it up. So I think this will be this side. Okay, let's see. So I think this will be attached to this stand here. So it will go this way. Is it that way? Oh, this way. Okay. So I really don't know. Okay, let's just attach it and see what happens. Doesn't am I doing it wrong? Is it right or is it wrong? I don't know, but let's see. I'm just trying. What is this for? This guy, they have no instructions anywhere. So I don't know how to attach these, but just trying. Let's see if there's another, if there's a guide somewhere here. I'll just make a check. No, it's the same thing here. So this is done. So how to do that? I don't know. How to attach it? I don't know. So let me just open it. See if there is a way to hold it. I don't know. There's it back here. Whatever is this? Okay, so this is, we need a plug. Attach it to. It's on. Should be on. That's great. So this is the second one. So it's ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching unboxing this product. What is it called? It's called the lights. Soft box with bulb holder. I think that's what it's called. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoying assembling it with Learn With Us How To. Hope you guys to subscribe and watch our other boxes coming soon. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like.